Okay. June 2018, number 7. Victoria is writing a program using a high-level language to display the meaning of computer science acronyms that are entered. The code for her first attempt at this program is shown below. So let's just study this program here. Line 1 says A equals input, enter an acronym. Line 2, if A is equal to LAN, then print local area network, else if A is equal to WAN, then print wide area network. Complete the code above to print out an unknown message if any other acronym is entered by the user. So here we have to be familiar with the structure of the if statement. So we have if, else if, and then if anything else is there, it would be else. And it would be, it says print out an unknown message. So it would be print unknown there. So that's it. Describe what is meant by a high-level language. And you should have already known, or by the end of the course, you should know what high-level languages are, and you should have the following sort of statements memorized, so you can just trot them off when you are asked this question. And these are: high-level languages can easily be understood by humans, and they have an English-like structure. Remember, high-level languages examples are like Python, Visual Basic, Java, etc. And they do have English-like statements, don't they? And then next sentence, these high-level languages must be translated via a compiler or interpreter into machine code, which is a type of low-level language, before they can be run. Remember that the computer does not understand high-level languages, but only machine code or binary, which is a type of low-level language, and it has to be translated into machine code, and there are various types of translators depending on the language, and these types of translators are called compilers or interpreter. And once they are in machine code or binary code, they can be run. Victoria creates her program using an integrated development environment, and we use the abbreviation IDE for short. Describe 2 tools or facilities that an IDE commonly provides. So you can say have any 2 of the following. IDEs provide editors, and these enable program code to be entered and edited. The Python idle is an example of an IDE environment, and of course you can enter code there and edit it. Or it provides error diagnostic tools. So information about errors is provided. This includes information about syntax errors, runtime errors, and also the location of errors in terms of line numbers. We've all had errors in our programs. IDEs also provide runtime environments which enable programs to be run, and it also identifies runtime errors. Can you cast your mind up to common runtime errors? Division by 0, trying to index an array element which does not exist. An IDE provides translators such as compilers and interpreters which convert high-level code or language to machine code, low-level language or low-level code, and this enables the code to be run. So for each of these, you have sort of the statement, like IDEs provides editors, and then a second sort of statement saying an explanation about it. IDE provides error diagnostic tools, and then an explanation. IDE provides runtime errors and an explanation. IDE provides translators such as compilers and interpreters, and then an explanation. so any two is a good idea.